Welcome to this video. This video is about managing your services under Resources. On the main menu, click on Resources, and then click on Manage Services to update the services your company provides. Click on Create New, and start by entering your service name. This can be a design service, marketing service, carpentry service, labor service, or any other service your company offers. Next, enter the service category and service type. Add a brief description and select the pricing model. The pricing model can be a fixed price, rate frequency, or rate per unit. Enter the pricing details accordingly. If the service is taxable, you can mark it as taxable. You can also upload an image related to the service. Once all details are added, click Save to have your service saved. This is how you can update your services under Manage Services. Your vendors can also update their services through the vendor portal, and you can view those services under Vendor Services. That's all in this video on managing your services. Thank you.